over? Are you trying to turn over? Are you trying to turn over? You need some help? You need some help? Oh, give up? Did you give up? Look at that, how she turned over. She's trying to turn over. Need a little help? Whoa, there you go. There you go. Look at that. Turned over. Now you just need to move your arm over. There you go. There you go. Okay, you're a smart girl. Smart girl. Look at that. Look at that. Turn down her belly. Look at that smart girl.